CryptoSLO, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSLO with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? CryptoSLO with scratching gains. What's going on, guys? Today's special coin is WAX, Worldwide Asset Exchange. So the question is, what is WAX? Well, if we go down here to BitScreener and have a look at WAX, it says WAX is a distributed system allowing everyone to generate a fully functional digital marketplace and payment processing. So basically what WAX's goal is to make video game assets tradable. So let's say you have a super sweet skin in your video game. You would actually own that skin and you can trade and sell on a marketplace. And you're like, oh, that's a cool idea. I know Fortnite has its own marketplace, but it's centralized. The concept of WAX is that not only can you buy, sell, and trade, but you may even be able to cross-platform some of these skins, weapons, shields, swords, whatever, because you have to look at the time investment that people have in playing video games. They play these games to earn these weapons, swords, special abilities, etc., but they're locked in the game. So in a way, and then let's say that a new game comes out and they're more interested in that. The cool thing is that they could possibly cross-platform their items into another game. So basically it allows video game players to own what they earn. This is a very cool concept. Let's look at the charts. Now, the price is another thing. As you can see, this baby, if we go to all, it actually originally came out, and it's not showing on this chart, but I think the ICO was over $4 a coin. And if we look at the activity and the recent downturn, this thing is actually sub 4 cents with a huge sell candle. Now, supply 1.85 billion, not too bad, not too bad. With a recent price of today of 3.96 cents, down again with a little bump. But it's still hitting lower lows. So what do I think about the price of WAX? With the way market is and with BTC, I think this thing is going to continue to downtrend in this bear market. What is my price point where I think I would buy some WAX? I would say between 1 and 2 cents. I really do think that this is going to keep going down. Now, why am I interested in it? Well, number one, video game industry is a $100 billion plus industry. With all of these items and special abilities and stuff. But the most important thing of all, why I like WAX, is if we go over to Blocktivity, Blocktivity shows transactions on the blockchain. Now, what can you see? You see that WAX is the second highest activity coin on the entire global blockchain network. Now, why is that important? That's super important because that means people are actually using WAX. And yes, I am a firm believer that adoption, and with the basic economics of network value, this, in my opinion, makes WAX a very, very valuable coin. Going over the website, they have all kinds of other information. I do believe it is an ERC20. It is a token, so they don't have their own blockchain yet. It'll be interesting to see if they do their own mainnet launch, which seems to be the the general plan of a lot. But as you can see, this thing is down 99.21%. Do I think? Oh, it's saying ICO is 205, but I heard things that it spiked at like $4. So this thing has absolutely gotten crushed. Total market cap is coming in circulating supply, let's see, market cap is $37 million. So super low market cap, super high transactions and use on the network, and a very oversold condition of this coin makes me think that this thing has big possibilities in a bull market. It's just young, it's in its infancy, and to those who lost a ton of money in the ICO, I feel you. At this point, I would probably write off the loss for the 2018 tax season, rebuy it in January at the low price, and move forward if you believe in the project. So check out Wax. I'll leave a website address and the Blocktivity link, and tell me what you think of Wax. Do you own some Wax? But I definitely will be a buyer if this goes below sub 2 cents. So the question in the title of the video, the price prediction. I see this coin easily going back up to the 10-cent range in a bull market, with a possible long-term valuation of 50 cents to $1, no problem, based on the supply, based on the usage. That's what I think. I will probably, like I said, once we hit a good number, sub 2 cents, buy in a little Wax and hold it. This is CryptoSLO. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.